Good morning, guys. Here I am in the office, my little office. Just finished uploading a video on rusty nuts. When I say rusty nuts, I mean rusty wheel nuts on my my Range Rover, or one of them, the 4.4, the big V8 full fat. So I've just changed them. I've uploaded the video. It's on there somewhere. Boring as shit, guys, but you know, there's a little hot tip in there for you if you are changing your nuts at any point soon. So the Range Rover, I've been driving it like for the last year and a half, never gave me a problem until last week. And the problem was that I tried to adjust the windscreen washer jets. There's two of them on it. And I put a screwdriver in there to move the jet up to the screen a little bit. And I completely screwed it up. I snapped the end off. It spat its piece out and it's just like a stream of water now on one side. But luckily, Postman Pat's just turned up and dropped me a little present, and I'm hoping it's my windscreen wiper washer nozzle. Cost a whole, bloody hell, this is well packed, a whole £18. 18 quid, guys. Wow. And these are heated nozzles as well, because the Range Rover's got heated windscreen wiper nozzles on it. Oh, this is a little bit of an unboxing going on now. Very nice. Scheibenwaschdus. Windscreen wiper washer nozzle. That's German. So yeah, 18 quid. It's German. From Frankfurt, guys. Cheap as chips. Well packaged. Amazon. Oh, look, another bag. It's all very nice. Now the only difference I can see on this one straight away is that the wire on it is a blue wire. The one that's on mine, which is a 2015, is a red wire. That clips under the bonnet. That little piece in there is the piece that I snapped off. It's like a tiny piece in there, like a dickhead. That plugs straight into the water pipe, and that's the heater element plug. So yeah, that looks like it's going to fit just nicely, guys. So I think what I'll do then is I'll get my jacket back on, we'll go outside, and I'll show you how easy it is to change a washer nozzle on an L405, guys. Well, here we go. Here's the patient. Here's the patient. Can't believe I was such a bell end that I totally messed this up. Let's just fire this up. I'll show you what I mean about the jet. This one down here is perfect. Now this one is not so perfect. That's because I was a complete dick and thought I could adjust the jets. Completely messed that one up, didn't I? Right, we'll pop the hood and I'll show you how to change these. And believe it or not, no tools required, guys. You can do it without a single tool, which is it's great. So let's get on with it. So first things first, down into here and pop the hood. The catch on these is right between the E and the R. Exactly there. Oh, there's the big boy. That there is a 4.4 V8 twin turbocharged diesel engine, guys. Right, so this is the one. Let's pull this out of the way for now. But you've got a connector for your electrics, your water pipe, and that feeds through there to this piece. don't know if you can see that really well. But literally, to get that off, you just pop the back like that. And it just comes out. That's it. So all I've really got to do is disconnect that pipe, and disconnect that plug, and then feed the new one back up and through and snap it in. I'll see if I can set this up on a tripod so you can see a little bit better, guys. That's a bit better. So literally just nip that in, and then you disconnect the cable, and then you want to just pull this pipe off here. Should pull off quite easy. Famous last words. Yep, that's got it. Then the whole thing pulls out from the bottom and down like that. There we go. That's a broken nozzle. As I said, it's the only thing different, it's got a red wire on it, but it's got the same plug. So there's the old one. As you can see, I completely mullered that with a red cable, a water pipe. The new one has got a blue wire, but it's the same length, same everything, guys. So let's get that fitted. So literally I've just got to feed everything up this hole up there first. I should be able to fiddle down up here and pull everything out. Pipe and cable. Nice and easy. Right, these are so simple to fit. Literally push the front in like that, and then just click the back in. I'll show you. Famous last words again, guys. There you go, that's it, that's solid. It's going nowhere. And then, let's try and move this a little bit. You're left with a plug, which can only fit in one way. That clips in just nicely. That's it, that's snapped in. And then the pipe just goes on the end of that one there. The water pipe. There you go. And you just feed everything back. Tidy it up a little bit. Could do with a new inside bonnet cover on here. This one's a bit shit, to be honest. Okay, so that's tucked away nice. Let's just tuck that back in there. I could do with a new bit of insulation underneath this bonnet. Maybe I'll get one in the future. Look at that lovely clean engine, guys. Right. Shut this down. We'll try it again. Fire it up. We'll try the jets. This side first, we sort of know it works. That's lovely. Then the other one. Oh yeah. It's working very nicely as well. Yeah, I'm into that. Yeah, I'd definitely say that was a success. Took me what, 10 minutes? Let's try it. Try not to get soaked. Yep, they're working. My job here is done, I think. Right, let's go and upload another video. Drop my shit back in here, my wiping rag. Here's my oil. Now I can't do anything with the oil yet until maybe Thursday, because Amazon, I bought everything off Amazon. They deliver probably 5-6 o'clock at night, and the pump, because there's a pump which is involved with changing the oil on these, a vacuum pump, and the new air filters, oil filter, fuel filter, and all the rest of the shit is coming on Wednesday with Amazon. So it's going to be Thursday by the time I can get that oil into the car and the old one out. Well, that's another video, guys. And that really needs doing, because I've used this for over a year. Newcastle to Derby, twice a week. I mean, we go in up there on a Sunday, we come back on a Friday. It's got to be 200 miles at least, 200 miles. That's 400 miles a week for probably a year and a half on the same oil. And to be honest, I don't know the last time the oil was changed in this thing. So that's another video. For now, peace out, guys. I can drive and see through my windscreen again. Thanks for watching.